Menta kasngi hat majai uba Bikram Marak Superintendent of Police West Khasi Hills ulah ya dalade banit sorjamin yang kejing Shah Pyniap Dusmon jeng utengton ti sangma Nonghikai School harang sa para katba udang wan phai na nongstany da ka motorbike bat upar lok jeng u ba ulet sai tulop habalapoi hakawe ke jaka klau ke bajengai kumba ar kilometer nakashnong siangra ki Runar ki bala ap ketem lupa hakte ke jaka kila khanglenti bat kila tit labom ye u da kinarot hakaba utei Nonghikai ulah klat no bat uwei pat ula mensaujur bat la penkit no ya u Shillong Civil Hospital ban pha sumar.
So, from Sapara Deficit UP School, and Sri Thangthon Arsangma has been my colleague for the past 10 years or so, and he has been a very nice person, adjustable, social, and it was only yesterday that we have received an information at around 5 that someone from my area has been brutally murdered on his way back home from Norstein. And on inquiring, it was found that he was one of my colleagues. And then immediately we made necessary arrangements to come here with the relatives, with the family members, and so on. And talking about Sri Thangthon Arsangma, he has been, as I have said, very social, understanding, and he comes from a very respectable background. And I don't think he has got any enmity that has forced him to fall into this kind of situation. That is all I can say about it.
Any suspect?
No, we don't have any suspicion also.